Hello guys, and welcome once again to the same workshop. Today I would like to show you guys how to cut a nose mask, and I want it to be very simple tutorial. So it's just going to be a 3-step course, which is going to be the measurement, the cutting and the sewing as quick as possible. But first and foremost, I saw several videos on YouTube that shows sewing of the nose mask, but none of them take you guys through the measurement aspect, which is what I intend to do right now. First and foremost, to take a nose mask measurement, this is the process I personally used to follow, so I think it might help you in one way or the other. To take a measurement for nose mask, this is what I do. I mostly place my tape measurement in between my nose, at that center point of my nose. I'll just place my measurement tape right there, and I'll take it a little bit to the back. Before this is my head here, I don't have much. But before here, I will stop the measurement, which is going to be at 4 inches. That will be for the width of the nose. And to take the height measurement is going to be from the top of my nose, where I want the nose mark to stop, which is going to be exactly somewhere here, down to this particular point, which is also at 4 inches. Right there, as you can see, which is going to make it a total of, from here to here is going to be 8 inches, and from here to here is going to be 4 inches in total. So that is it, and let's go to the cutting table, and after that we go to the sewing machine, and we just do that as fast as possible. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload this video. Let's get into that now. So these are the things we're going to need. I have my elastic. As you can see, I cut this at 4 inches. I cut the length at 4 inches. Both of them are of the same length. And here I have my scissors. And here I have the fabrics in which I'll be using. I'll be using a camo. So first and foremost, I will need to turn it to the inside. As you can see, just turn it. So from here, I'm going to measure my 4 inches, and I'm going to add half of an inch for the inseam allowance. That will be 4.5. Also here, I'm going to measure 4.5 also for my inseam allowance, as you can see. So from here, I'm going to cut out, I'm going to also take the same measurement as from the side, 4.5 also from here. So sorry for that. So this can actually join together, and I can actually join this one also together, as you can see. But from here, I'm going to take out half of an inch, which will be the nose cap. From the nose cap, I'm going to take a straight cuff. You can see that. Just make a straight cuff to this point, just like that. So from here, I'm going to take out 1 inches. You can see that. I'm going to take out 1 inches. So from here, I'm going to join this 1 inches to this part up right here. To this part up right here. Simple as that. So here, I'm going to take out half of an inch because I don't want the down parts to be reaching my jaws. So I'll take out the half of an inch and join it to this place right here. So that is it. As you can see, I'm cutting it in double. So the next I'll be doing is I'll be cutting it out. So this is what we have so far. Can you see that? This is what we have so far. And I turn it to the side. This is what we're going to have. You see that? These two are going to be facing each other. So the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be cutting the same thing on the other fabric. So after we cut this one out, I'm going to repeat the same thing from this one. So all I will be doing is just placing this one on top of this because we need 4 pieces of this fabric. Now make sure I'm cutting at of the same line. That part is stretchy and this place is not stretchy, so I should be cutting from here. I'll just place it right here. I'm going to cut it out. Actually, I'm just using the pieces of my fabric in the workshop, but I've always loved this camo a lot. So in total, this is what we have. You can see this is what we have so far. You can see it right there. So now we have 4 pieces of this, which we'll be using for our nose mask. So let's go to the sewing table right now to do the finish. So these are the fabric we already cut. As you can see, all I just did is I'll make sure the 2 of them are facing each other. You see, this is the front aspect, both of them are facing each other, and I have the elastic in which I'll be using, so I'm just going to place it right here. And the very first thing I'll be doing is I'll start the stitching from around here. I'll be stitching 1/2 inch, and it might not be up to 1/2 inch, but I'll start my stitching from that point. I'm going to take this to you. As you can see now, so far, this is what we have. You see that? You see that? And I'll be doing the same thing on this one also. Just place it right here. So this is what we have so far. Do you see that? So now the next thing we'll be doing is we need to sew these 2 together. But before we sew these 2 together, which will be like this, before we sew these 2 together, you're going to take this part to an iron and you're going to iron it down. Make sure you iron this part and you open them before we're going to sew these 2 together. So I already ironed this part. You can see I already give it a smooth ironing. I just open it from inside. You can see that. So the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be making sure these 2 are facing each other again. So I'll be starting from, this is the upper part, this is the upper part, this is the one that bends, this is the side that will be on the nose. So I'll be starting the stitching from right here, from somewhere around here. For the stitch, I'm going to make my first stitch. I want you guys to pay attention to this. We have our elastic, which I'll be putting inside. After that, I'll be placing my elastic right in the middle. Sewing on it. At this point also, make sure your elastic is straight. Make sure you have it straight, and you're going to just bend it a little bit. Place it before your ending right here. You're going to stitch on it. I hope you guys see what I did. As you can see, the elastic is inside of the fabric. Take a closer look at it. The elastic is inside. I see it inside. So now I'm going to start the sewing from here also. I'm going to sew it. I'll put this front. At this point also, I want you guys to pay closer attention. This place is just depending if you want to make it a luxury nose mask or if you just want to make a normal nose mask. But as of this point, I'll be placing a label inside of the nose mask.
which will be, so this is optional actually. It's not for everybody, but if you want your nose mask to look, you're going to bend it backward and you're going to place it in this form. That's if you want it to look unique and you want to sell it for a lot of money actually. So I'm just going to place it a little bit. God, yeah. So I'm going to place it inside. Take your time to make sure it's balanced well. Start the stitch. When you get to that ending part also, like before, you're going to place your, so everything is inside of the fabric. You're going to place your label, you're going to place your elastic, sorry for that mistake. You're going to stitch on it. Make sure the elastic is straight, as also bend it a little bit. Start your sewing from top of the elastic once again. So when you get to this position, you're going to sew it. You're going to end at somewhere right here. As you can see, I did not finish the sewing. Can you see that? There is a little bit of allowance around here. So here is when I'll need to turn it to the front. Just take your time. It's quite simple. Just turn it stylishly. Take your time to turn it. Right here I have the label. I have the nose mask. Very, very simple. But before the ironing aspects, take your time to make sure you pin all the edges out. Pin it out. Pin it out. Pin it out. And at these small edges in which we opened previously, as you can see, these edges, I'm going to stitch that part. I'm going to stitch it very, very, very tiny, so the sewing won't be obvious at all, at all, at all. So that is it on this. So you can either use the front or you can turn it upside down again and use the back. It is a double face nose mask. So let me iron this and show you what it looks like after finishing.
So after the sewing, this is what it looks like after. I hope you guys can see that it's as simple as possible. So when I place it here, So what do you think about this? If you like the video, make sure you hit that like button and share with your friends and so many of them. I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace and do enjoy yourself.